Yesterday, we saw a 10-second clip on Reddit showing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with its flat design and slightly rounded corners. Now, we are looking at more images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra coming from the same source via Reddit user Gaming MK and Android Authority. The images show us the bottom of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, having a USB-C port flanked by an S Pen slot, speaker, microphone, and SIM card slot. Another image shows the corner bezel of the smartphone, while the third photo shows the phone with One UI 7.0's charging notification on the screen. Speaking of, U/Gaming MK and Android Authority also shared some screenshots of Android 15-based One UI 7.0 running on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. You can see them below. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has model code SM/S938B, which scored 2,627 and 9,404 points on Geekbench XS single and multi-core tests, respectively. This particular model is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite and has 12 GB RAM on board. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is rumored to go official in January, so expect to hear more about it in the coming weeks.